How to fix YouTube black screen issue. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can fix the YouTube black screen issue that some users have been facing. So if you've ever clicked on a video only to see a black screen, this tutorial will help you to fix it. So let's get started. The first thing is you'll want to make sure is checking your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause YouTube videos to fail to load correctly, resulting in a black screen. So try refreshing the page or switching up to a greater stable connections. After that, refresh the YouTube page. Just refresh your YouTube page and see if that works. If refreshing didn't help, try cleaning your browser's cache or cookies, or you can clear up the app's cache or cookies if you are on the app. For that, just long press on the app and tap on the info section, and you can go ahead and clear off the cache of that particular app. Just go ahead and go to the storage and clear the cache. After that is done, the next thing you can do is update your app. Make sure you have updated your app, and in order to do that, head over to Google Play Store and type in YouTube. After that, make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. And after that is done, that should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, once restart your device, and that is it. If you follow the steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube black screen issue in no time. So if this video helped, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out more tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.